Hey guys, I'm back from McDonald's.
Parrot, what took you so long? You were there for ages.
I was stuck in a slide in McDonald's. My dad had to get me out.
Parrot, you fat fuck, stop going into the playhouse. Let's just play.
Hey guys, what are you up to?
Oh, it's Jim Henson. Why did you join?
I'm just here to tell you that you got Jim Henson.
Bailey, why is the door open?
Fuck you. I fucking hate you, go fucking die.
Boy, you swear that's it, I'm getting my dad.
What's that stomping noise?
Oh god, it's a Fotis American. I wonder what he looks like.
Oh my god, that's a cupcake. Oh my god, I love you so much. Oh, bubbly.
Do we look like cupcakes to him? Oh shit, we are cupcakes now.
Oh my god, it's a cupcake. Oh my god, play the same song. Oh my god, cupcake now. Okay, I check on the big song.
Humanity as we know it has ended.
Hi, diddly ho, Discorinos. What you's up to?
Dad, they were swearing in a voice chat.
Hell, diddly darn, you boys can't be at that. Otherwise, God will diddly Billy send you to the Devier.
My son, if you come to hell, you can play some more Wii with me, or you can help me beat this level.
Hold on, Parrot, let's go get some new treats in them bodies of ours.
Guys, I don't believe that his dad is actually skinny. I never seen a skinny American in my life.
How are we going to find out if he is?
I know somebody who will take us to America and find out who Parrot's dad really is. However, there's a problem. He only speaks the Kirsty Beard language. Luckily, I can come along and show him the directions.
Guys, can I join in on this adventure too?
Sure, Brad, you can come.
Jim, are you sure he lives here?
Trust me, he should be out soon. Hey Crazy Dave. We need to travel to America so we can see if Parrot's dad is in fact skinny. We will pay you in tacos and hot sauce if you take us there.
What the fuck did he say?
He said follow him. He said get in the van and we will be in America in 8 hours.
I don't really trust this guy bringing us into his van.
Brad, quit being a pussy. Just get in.
You owe me 100 euros if you get kidnapped or trapped.
Fine, whatever.
Guys, throw a apple and I will hit it with my forehead. What the fuck is that in the sky? Wonder where they are going.
Where's my Mountain Dew?
What are you talking about, man?
No, where's my Mountain Dew? I keep it in the microwave.
Hey guys, look over there.
I think I see the janitor down there. It looks like his car broke down. Maybe we should give him a lift.
Fuck the janitor. Let that fucker die.
Hey guys, what are you up to?
Of course my car breaks down. I'm trying to leave to go home. Fuck's sake, and it'll be soon school time. Life is so bad.
Hey janitor. We see your car broken down. Maybe we can give you a lift home after our journey.
Sure, why not? Just as long as you get this car gone, I'm happy.
Crazy Dave, bring the car closer with some rope.
Wow, that one looks really good. Can't wait to bring this to a repair shop. Fuck, I might even sell it. And where you all going anyway?
Imitate hello guys. What are you up to today? I'm just here to give you a visit.
Bluey boy, there's a happy meal in the air.
Oh my god.
Moo, sun incoming.
Fuck Crazy Dave, go.
Moo, that's one of my mistakes gone.
Hi, diddly, oh, Blue Boy's dad. One McDonald's cheeseburger for my boy, please. Hi.
Ned Flanders, wait here. I'll get a waddy.
Man, I hate working with my stepdad's twin. It's so annoying.
Jack, I would like to have one cheeseburger on the go, please.
Alright, Uncle Bluebois Dad. W kid, I have an idea. I will put a chemical in it to make Flanders grow and grow until he explodes. Ha 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 ha.
Guys, I think we're in America. Look down. Exactly what I pictured it to be.
Look up ahead, guys. There's Madman Mooney's. We can trade in the janitor's car for maybe more supplies. Because I think we're running low on fuel.
Then let's go. We could get a
Hey Bean,
McDonald's
can you sell
too.
my curry?
Right, Crazy Dave,
No,
just
Brett,
go
we're
nice
not
and
selling
steady.
your curry.
Right, Crazy Dave, just go nice and steady.
I swear, Dave, if you crash, Should man's watch gonna out, we're chef gonna you up. crash.
Alright, Dave, fill up the bump. Hatefully don't crash. Fuck's sake.
Fuck's sake, Dave.
For fuck's sake, that was a bumpy one.
Ah, my dear friends, welcome to Madman Mooney's Hubcap Heaven. Today is your lucky day.
Wow, it is.
Yes, it is. You, for example, you're driving the wrong car.
Wabby wobble.
I can put you in this German street machine for only $2,000, less a $12 trade-in on your old vehicle. Now, this car is one of the great detachable fenders for narrow garages.
Yeah, I don't think we need to call quit.
Hey, what is this pile of Jack? Get rid of this heap! Come out here!
Boss Jack is on break and taking up for him.
Hi, Crunchy.
He's my friend though.
But seriously, friends, Madman Mooney doesn't believe in all that dealing and wheeling. No, the price on the sticker is the price you pay. And never more and never less.
We take the gasoline for €1 with the €10.50 tax add-in.
That's our 5 euro upgrade. You owe us 50 cents.
Thanks, Crunchy. Hey, we're going to go see Jack's dad. You wanna come?
Parrot's dad. Oh my god, oh my god.
He just ran away.
Wait, where are you guys going? I wanna see Parrot's dad too. Guys, stop.
Oh, diddly darn, my stomach is giving the rumbles doubles. Man, I don't know what's happening. Must have been that burger.
Help, my dad is mutating.
Aha, here's the house. That bastard is gonna answer.
Help, my dad is mutating.
Ned Flanders, wait here. I'll get a waddy.
Help, my dad is mutating.
Okay, I know how this is gonna work. The creator is just gonna make a stupid short boss bow. And that's what he's gonna do. Take the salad.
Parrot, how TF is your dad, not a Fotis. I heard stomping in the call.
Oh, silly toy boy. I was doing weights. I felt so strong, so I stomped on the ground.
Ned, there is one favor that you can do. Join us in the hot dog dance. Now let's go back.
Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, no problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
support. Get up, stretch out, stop